That is so depressing.
Comment, like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell, that bell, that bell.
I don't know who does the marketing for the advanced and aged, but somebody need to get on that. And I'm trying to be nice and not say old people because you know what? Working at my job, I see a lot of 70-year-olds, 80-year-olds, and even 90-year-olds. Yes, people in their 90s come into my job and they are some of the most vibrant and lively people. And it's really hard to look at them like, oh, you old. Like, granted, yes, they're old based on their age, but the energy, the life that they bring is nothing old about them. Like there's plenty of people around my age and younger than me who are just dried and like, ooh, you old. But seriously, the marketing towards the advanced demographics, something has to be made because when I see those commercials, it makes me depressed. And it makes me not want to be an older person because it's like the marketing towards them is just like, preparing them for death and stuff. And it's not cool because it's like, listen, they live their life. If anything, marketing should be like, hey, come here, come spend your checks and live life. Like, here's a vacation. Who wants to see commercials that are talking about death, that talks about, oh, all senior citizens should have life alert? Like, what? First of all, I'm not a senior citizen, and I feel like I should have life alert because this right knee of mine, no good. So the marketing should be done better because I don't think it's personally fair that they reached the point in their life where it's like their age is always being thrown in their face, where I think they should be appreciated. Sure, it's a blessing to be able to see so many years of life, and I don't think that they should be feeling like put down or shut down for their age. Like, it's a blessing because God knows how blessed I'd feel if I made it to see 70, 80, and even 90 years old. So, I think the marketing towards the advanced demographics, because like I said, I'm not calling them old, because being at my job for the time period that I've been at, and I see a lot of lively, advanced in age people, listen, I can't call them old. Marketing towards them, something about it has to be done. Why is it my business? Because I'm young and I see it and it makes me not want to get old. So imagine people in that age group demographics, how they feel. Who wants to be old and be put down and feel old all the time? Especially when they have energy, and a lot of them be coming in fly. Don't play with the people advanced in age, okay? Because they can dress circles around a lot of y'all and probably outdo y'all in a lot of things. But guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, like what you hear, my neck cracked. Comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell. That bell. That bell. That what? Hit that bell. That bell. That bell so you can get my notifications. And guys, guess what? It's Friday. Happy Friday. Look it up. It's Friday. Happy Friday. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Until next time.